Hello everyone, welcome back to a Virgo baby. My name is Shubhra and I'm a mom of a 3-year-old girl. Today I'm here to share with you some spring related activities. Spring starts in March and it's still there till the end of April. What actually happens in spring is tree gets new leaves, new flowers, there are lots of new animals, there are lots of new insects. So I thought, why not include spring in our theme? I've already done a season related activity earlier. You can check that out. And so I thought, why not include spring this time? Before I start this video, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel and do share this video with your friends and family members. Let's get started. So the first and the foremost activity which you can do is a tree and color the tree. What you can do is give them different colors and different styles. You can give them Q-tip, you can give them fork, you can give them sponge, you can give them pom-pom, anything to color this tree and give this tree a new life, new leaves. And that is what spring all about. Next activity similar to this one is original leaf and flower activity. What you can do is go on a nature walk with your little one, collect different leaves and different flowers and bring them at your place. Stick original leaves and flowers like this. I've done one for her. She's going to do rest and they're going to love and enjoy it. They're going to love the nature walk especially, and then they're going to love and enjoy pasting the original leaves and flowers. If in case you don't want to go, of course, because of the current situation, what you can do is cut out these type of leaves from a green color paper and then ask them to stick to their tree. This is equal fun because their tree is getting new leaves and they're going to love it. Next activity is a leaf related again. What you can do is give them a leaf, ask them to paint it or color it. I have these kinds of acrylic paint. I have a box of 6 in this, and ask them to color it and then imprint that leaf, and you will get an imprint of that leaf on a paper. So this will be again a fun activity because their leaf is getting new colors. Their leaf has a rainbow color, so they are going to love this activity one more time. Next is a flower based activity. I chose sunflower. You can choose any other flower, whichever you want. So what you have to do in sunflower is, I have this fusilli pasta. They have to color this pasta in yellow color, of course, because sunflower is yellow in color, and then stick it like I've done this one. She will doing the rest. I've made the sunflower and then she's going to get the petals to the flower by coloring this pasta and then sticking it all over here. The complete picture of this activity or any other activity you can see on my Insta page. I'll put the link in the description so you can check that out. This is again a good activity because they are going to make their own flower out of it. Next activity in the set is a butterfly activity. I have these worksheets from the kit Class Monitor. If you want to know anything about that kit, you can message me in the comment section. I will be happy to help you. There's a butterfly. And what you have to do is, you have to give them these kinds of streamers. And they have to tear it and put it on the butterfly. Then you can cut this butterfly out and then hang it anywhere, maybe in their room or anywhere, wherever you want to put it. This is a very good fine motor skill activity because a lot of tearing and pasting is required in this activity, and this is a very good fine motor skill activity again. Next activity is again related to flower. It's a name flower activity. What I did was I made a flower, and flower has the petal which has alphabet of my daughter's name, that is Avya. Now I'm going to give her these stickers, dot stickers, and she has to take out this sticker and put it in a flower to complete the flower. This is again a fine motor skill activity, plus it helps in alphabet recognition, and they are learning their name spelling also with this activity. If you don't have these sticker, you can cut it using maybe a colored sheet also, and then ask them to stick it over here. Earlier I used to do that. Now I have stickers, so I start with stickers. Next activity in this style is a bird nest, and this theme is bird nest. What I did was I cut out two semicircles. One is a bigger one, another one is a smaller one, to make a pocket. I stapled it and a pocket is made. Now she has to color this nest, and then I have these shredded brown paper. This is from a carry bag. I've cut it out. She's going to stick it over here. And then what she has to do is she has to make a baby bird also. I have this cotton ball. If you have a pom-pom ball, that is very nice. I don't have any, so I have a cotton ball. She has to stick two eyes and a beak. For eyes we are going to use bindi, black bindi, and then the baby bird is going in the nest like this. I'm just giving you an example. This is not yet completed. It will be much better when it's completed, and they are going to enjoy it because their bird is getting a nest, and they're making a nest for a baby bird. You can see the final outcome, of course, of this activity also on my Insta page. Do check that out for more activities and for more final results also. So that was all for spring related activities. If you like the video, please give this video a thumbs up and do share. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you for